Hello friends, today I am going to show you the Samsung wireless battery pack. I bought this from Samsung shop. It is an online store that you can use from your desktop, or you can also install that app on your mobile and buy this product. I would suggest you better install that app on your mobile. It is very easy to use rather than the desktop site. This is a 10,000 mAh, and the speciality of this power bank has got the self wireless charging pad. It comes with Type C charging port, and it is a portable wireless charging device. So there was a pause. I just made that. So you can charge two devices at the same time, like use one USB port to charge a phone and also use the wireless charging to charge your watch or another phone. So it supports normal Qi certified products and fast wireless charging and wired charging. So this is a product that supports fast wireless charging. So why wait, my friends? Let's open this up and check it out what we get inside here. So as always, we have to open the seal here. So there is two seal here. Then we have to pull this, I think, in this way. Yes, it is out. So as you can see, there is a two tabs here. I think to pull this like this. Okay, it comes out in this way. And here we have to open this up. Wow, Samsung has done a lot of presentations here. And inside this, what we get, a USB-C to USB-A cable. Let's keep this aside, and this is the power bank. So I think the weight of it is really light as compared to the old one that I have. Or let me bring the old one for the good comparison here. So this is my old one that I had earlier, using it since Galaxy S5, I suppose. S5, yes, S5. This is 8400 mAh Samsung power bank. As you can see here, this comes in blue, and also it comes with the battery indicator, how much charge you have. And this had micro USB cable and two USB out. One is this USB A out, and also one micro USB direct cable. So if we compare this with the old one, then this has got a wireless charging pad. This is a fast charging. It is also mentioned here. And this is in pink color, and it is 10,000 mAh as compared to the old one that I had. It was for 8,800. Sorry, 8,400. Yes, you can see that here. Yes, as you can see here, it is 8,400 mAh. So as compared to weight, I feel that 8400 is heavier as compared to this 10,000 mAh. So hats off to Samsung for the designing or something, the different kind of battery pack here, so that the weight is very, uh, it feels light, but it is lighter than the old one. So let's keep this aside. What we get here, we get a quick start guide here, and nothing else. We put all this aside. Let's first check how much charge we get here, and around in here it is written about the battery charge and everything that is written on the old one on the back with a sticker. It is like it is printed on it, and when we touch it, it feels like it is like embossed, but it is not, it is printed. So this pad is rubbered, and it has a light grip to it so that the phone will not fall off or anything, I suppose. And we can see how much charge we have here. Out of the box, it has three bars here, and red blue is the indicator. And here we get a USB-C port to charge this device, and we get a USB-A port to charge other device. So let's get a phone and charge this up. So as you can see here, I have my iPhone 8 here, and we can use this to wireless charge this device. Just put this on top of here, and I think it charges, but it's not charging. I don't know why. Yes, it is charging, as you can see here. So let me get my Galaxy S10, and I'll show you how it charges and fast charging is supported here or not. So as you can see here, my friends, the iPhone is getting charged. Here it is showing charged, right? So I have got my S10 Plus here, and we will put this and check it out how it is charging. Let's remove this. And S10 Plus with the cover, it's charging. As you can see, it's mentioned while fast wireless charging. So as you can see, it charges. And for your information, there is also a battery indicator here, the red, green, and all. So since it shows your power bank, but it has got two colors of indicators here. So like if it is red, green, orange, so it shows the battery 100% if 4 bars. And also this indicator here, while charging it will show red. Let us charge and show it out. Let me use this. So that's all, my friends. This is about the Samsung Galaxy wireless charging power brick, and I like this. I love it because it's charges wirelessly a device, and also we can use the cable to charge another device. Let me do that too. So since I don't have two Samsung devices, I will use the cable of my iPhone and I'll charge it. We will use this cable here. Let us put this up this way. It is still charging, as you can see here, and I have connected the USB cable here. Now connecting the phone here. So see, both are charging, and when you charge two devices, I think this drops down to normal charging rather than to use fast charging. Yes, that's true. If I disconnect it, so that's all. It charges both phones at the same time. And that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section below. And you can buy this product from Samsung shop, and it costs around 3,999, but sometimes it comes in a deal and you get it for 3,400. So that's all, my friends. Do subscribe the channel. Bye bye.